All right. Boom. Cane pole. Cane pole. I just let down the cane pole right outside the boat and got something. Oh, more. Oh, cane pole. Oh, cane pole. Might be a catfish here. Maybe that's the pattern we need. Yeah. Now we're talking. Boom. Hand line them in. I should have brought my hand lines if they're gonna be fishing like if they're gonna be like this. Should have just brought my hand line. Now. Boom. Shell cracker down. Stop it. I said stop. Shell cracker. Cane pole. Cane pole. Cane pole. Sometimes you have to put the bobbers down, man. Good thing about a cane pole is I can just reel them back to the tip and just hand line them in. Looks like a little... Oh, come on now. I done got around the trolling motor. There we go. Oh. Yep, little channel catfish. No, looks like a little blue almost. Huh. Lively, huh? Yeah, it's a little channel. Channel cat. Blue spots. Juvenile. Probably they lose those spots once they get grown. Channel cat.